Hey, it's Brandon coming to you from Mills GM here in Baxter, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2021 GMC Yukon Denali. This is stock number 2A210072. Used one. I know it's a 2021, but these are tough to find. And the reason they're tough to find is obviously you've heard the chip shortage and everything, but this one is loaded up for the build that you can't actually build from GM right now. So it is the max trailering package, one thing you can't get from the factory that way. So let's talk about that as well. Denali, so you got the big premium Denali Grille, surround vision, which is the front camera there that helps with. It's got 11,000 miles on it and change. Loaded to the gills, obviously, as you can tell here. 22-inch wheels here, power retractable steps here. Fold down very nicely. This vehicle hasn't been smoked in or anything. It's loaded up, heated ventilated seats there. It has the heated steering wheel, the big dual moonroof, as you'll be able to tell here as well. Let's check out the back. This does have the rear seat entertainment as well, so rear seat media. Own heat controls and everything in the back row, of course. Heated second row seats. For 2021, if you're not familiar, these do have about 6 inches more of room as well. The second row slides back and forth, so that's where your extra room comes from. Dual tipped exhaust here. Of course, it does have a tow package, technology package, which includes the surround vision that I talked about earlier. Rear view camera mirror. There you can see the third row there as well. A little bit more room behind the second row here. Nice little cubby underneath here as well for storage. All these do fold down, as you can tell with the second row by these buttons here. You have a 110 power outlet in the back that replaced the 120 volt as well here. If you're looking for a new Yukon, just can't quite find what you're looking for or the features you want, it's just mostly what's going on right now is unavailable. Here you got it. You got head-up display, you got the trailer brake controller, which is included in that max trailer package. Loaded up, ready to go, low miles. Check it out. Come give us a call, Mills GM, 218-829-3504, or visit us worldwide, millsgmcbaxter.com. Thanks for watching.